We'll guide you through how to make a note in OneNote. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin installing and using OneNote on your Windows computer, first click the Windows Start button located on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Once the Start menu opens, type Microsoft Store using your keyboard. When Microsoft Store appears in the search results, click it to open the application. After the Microsoft Store window opens, locate the search bar inside the store and type OneNote. Press Enter or select the search result to continue. When the search results appear, look for the free version of OneNote developed by Microsoft Corporation and click on it to open its application page. On the OneNote page, find and click the Install button to begin downloading the application. While the download and installation process is running, make sure your computer is connected to the internet and that the connection is stable so the installation can complete without interruption. Wait patiently until the installation finishes. When the process is complete, click the Close button to exit the Microsoft Store window. After closing the store, click the Windows Start button again on the taskbar. In the search bar that appears, type OneNote. When the OneNote application appears in the search results, click Open to launch the program. After OneNote opens on your screen, locate and click the Notebooks option to manage your notebooks. Next, click the button labeled New Notebook to create a new place for your notes. You will then be asked to choose a storage location for the notebook. It is recommended to save the notebook to OneDrive because this provides additional safety by storing your notes in the cloud. After selecting the storage location, enter a name for your notebook in the Notebook Name field. Choose a clear and meaningful name so you can easily recognize it later. Once you have typed the notebook name, click Create Notebook to finish creating it. In some cases, OneNote may ask if you would like to share the notebook with other people. If this message appears, simply click Not Now to continue without sharing. After that, your notebook will be ready to use. You can now start writing notes in OneNote. Click on a page inside the notebook and begin typing anything you want to record, organize, or remember.